First off, before we start, you may be asking yourself, is it possible to make a decent income from one vending machine? The short answer is yes. But before we get started, understand if this is the business model you want to work with, you'll need to pay close attention to your profit margin. You need to know your cost per unit and how to get the best return on your investment. If you have a can of pop that cost you $1, you can easily turn around and sell it for $2. If you buy a candy bar for 50 cents, you can easily sell it for $1. These numbers aren't limited, as you can take those numbers up higher as well. Now, when you have a hot seller, let's say related to a drink like Red Bull, and it's doing well, don't be afraid to add other flavors, as they may do just as well. Know your audience. Once you get to know what they like, it will be easier to stock your machine. Going back to how much you can make with one vending machine, the answer can vary. But to give you a rough idea, on average, a single vending machine can generate between $75 to $300 per month. That's not too bad, considering you may start to scale your business from one machine to multiple. Now, if you're serious about the business, there's tons of videos on this information, but truthfully, you may be here for a while. Stop by our description box where we'll give you the best publications and information to get you started now.